As I grew older, that one feeling which bothered me the most was I am not enough. I used to believe that if I did everything right, behaved well, scored good marks, never disappoint anyone, then someone would come and give me this invisible medal that said, "You are enough now." But the truth is, there was no medal. And no matter what I did, how much I tried, I still felt like I had to do more, be more, become someone else. And I know I'm not the only one who feels this. So tell me, who taught us that we need to earn our worth? Look, I understand what you're going through and I've been there. But this feeling of not being good enough is way more common than you think. And it doesn't mean that something is wrong with you. In fact, there's a psychological reason behind it. You might have heard about the imposter syndrome, right? So it's like a pattern where people doubt their own abilities, skills, or even accomplishments, and they live in a constant fear of being seen as a fraud. And don't get surprised because many super successful people feel the same way, like celebrities, athletes, entrepreneurs. So if you, a regular human being with regular emotions, feel this way, that's normal. Now the biggest question is, where does this feeling comes from? Well, it might come from the way we grow up. Maybe we were compared to others for so long that we started to doubt our own skills. Or maybe we were told that you can do better every time, even after doing our best. And over the time, it creates a belief in your head that who I am now is not enough, I must become more. Now, let me ask you a question. When did you start believing you were not enough? And what would happen if you started questioning that belief instead of yourself? Please think about it. Now, hear me out. Just because this feeling is very common, it doesn't mean that we should carry it around forever. And I'll tell you why. When we feel like we are not enough, we start to live our lives trying to prove our worth every single time. We go out of our way to impress others, or say yes when we want to say no, or we always try to chase validation instead of peace. But the truth is, your worth doesn't come from the achievement, it comes from your existence. And the society will constantly tell you that you need to look a certain way, achieve certain things, follow certain paths, and then you will be good enough. But that's a complete lie. And the longer you will believe it, the more disconnected you will become from your true self. And you might not realize it for now, but when you carry the belief that you are not good enough, it can start to silently control your whole life. Mentally, it can lead you to anxiety, and you will be always worried about, oh, what will people think? Am I doing enough? Should I be doing more? Emotionally, it can bring you guilt and shame. And let's be honest for a second. Sometimes you feel guilty when you rest and you feel ashamed when you failed, right? And studies have shown that people who constantly chase perfection or validation often struggle with sleep, digestion, or even chronic fatigue. So, yes, it can affect you physically too. See, that's how powerful our thoughts are. So, how can we overcome this habit? Well, by implementing these simple things in your life. Firstly, please stop comparing your journey. You know, this world is so loud and social media makes it even louder. But you have to remember that someone's highlight reel is not their full story and you don't know their struggle. And just because someone is shining today, it doesn't mean that your time won't come. Your path is yours and it's completely different. So ask yourself, am I living my story or someone else's timeline? Secondly, start talking kindly to yourself because the way you talk to yourself matters a lot. And most of us speak to ourselves in a way we would never speak to someone we love. And that needs to be changed. So the next time when you feel like you messed up or you are feeling low, remind yourself that it's okay. I'm trying and I'm learning. And that's how healing starts. And you never know, like, what if you became the safe place you've been always looking for in others? And last but not the least, remind yourself that you are already worth it. Just write it down somewhere. I don't have to earn my worth, I already have it. And we must let that sink into our daily routine and our overall mindset. Because you don't need permission to feel enough. You just need the courage to believe it. So if no one told you this today, let me say it. You are enough exactly as you are, with all of your dreams, all of your emotions, and all of your mistakes. You don't need to prove yourself. You don't need to ask for love. You don't need to become someone else to be accepted, because you are already worthy and you always were. You were never lacking anything. You were just told to believe that you were. And I know it's not easy to believe this every day, but maybe today, if you can take the first step. And wait, let me leave you with this one question. What if for one day you stopped trying to be more and allowed yourself to be exactly the way you are? Think about it. So that's all for this video. Share it with someone who really needs to hear this message, and do tell me in the comment section if you found this video helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe for the further episodes, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep improving and don't give up, because I believe in you.